I've been in business for 14 years. I recently did a $106 million book launch in a weekend. And our portfolio of companies at acquisition.com does over $250 million in aggregate revenue. And a portion of that is brick and mortar chains that we own. And so in this video, I'm answering your questions about how to scale specifically a brick and mortar HVAC business. And for all of those questions, I try to do my very best to make the solutions as tactical as humanly possible so that you watching from home can actually use this stuff. Enjoy.
My name is Thomas. I sell roofing and exterior remodeling. We do close to 6 million this year. I would like to be at 100 million. What's stopping me?